Hi guys, for today's video is get ready to get bed, but I'm not going to get bed because it's early. Let me go to get toothbrush. Yeah, I'm gonna do it later. I'm just gonna cut this. So I'm here. I just get the water for. I'm going to the. Just wait. Just gonna cut this. So now let's go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, me. I just gonna take my toothbrush. So, I have this Barbie Colgate. This is not spicy, guys. This is not spicy. Look at that. These also have like and the Hello Kitty. Wow. Wait, I'm just gonna cut this. Maybe later if I'm done. There, I'm done. I'm just gonna.
Tara natin, refresh muna natin.
Cool. Let's go. This is just my progress. So dear, I'm just gonna ready for my hair. So dear, this is my. Let's open it. This is my hairbrush, mirror, is from the lips. Here, let me just. I need this. I'm Filipino, but I'm just talking English. So you can see, I can talk Filipino. Look at this. Ano yan? What is, ano yan? Anong pangalan mo? Anong gusto mo? Ganyan, nakakasalita ako ng Tagalog. Pero nagsasalita lang ako ng English. Hey, get out! Stinky! So, magpipicture taking kami bukas. Pipitasan. And next, let's brush my hair. Let's ipit my hair. Walang pasok bukas si Dade. Ate, may kasama ako sa bahay. So, ayan na guys. This. This is not gonna dry your lips. Because my lip is always dry if I'm sleeping around. You see. This is just lip gloss, I guess. So I'm gonna tabi this na. There is night na, is ano na, 7:49 p.m. There, goodbye. See you tomorrow.